We're back, another episode of Under 2 Minutes, and we are going over the last drawing mode of Illustrator, and that is draw inside. This does what it sounds like. It lets you draw inside an object. It's nice for creating multi-shaped patterns inside an already placed object. It's good for creating shading inside that object. So let's show you how this works. As you can see, I can't select this right now because there is no object selected to draw inside. So you need to pick your object. Here I have the raindrop, and now Draw Inside has allowed you to press it. Once clicked, you'll get these little dashed lines that pop up, and that means this object is now highlighted to draw inside. So let's show you how this works. If I draw a shape here, I'm going to draw this outside. This shape has a fill, but you can't see it because now it is not inside this little box. It's not inside the shape that you're drawing inside. So if I move this over, all of a sudden those colors and that shape appears. So this is very good for drawing inside that object. Anything that's outside of the shape you have specified to draw inside will not show. So it can be as big as you want. Nothing outside this is going to show. And this is good for creating shading. So let's change this to like a darker blue, make it a little bit see-through. And as you can see here, this now looks like a raindrop that is darker on one side. So drawn inside is very helpful for creating shades, for doing whatever you want inside an object. Just remember that you will never have anything outside, even if the shape is bigger. It doesn't make a difference because this shape has been drawn inside the raindrop, so you'll never actually see it.